Welcome everyone. This is a flip through of my Christmas folio, and it is 9 by 6 inches wide, and it's made up of 3 heavyweight craft envelopes, and it's about 3/4 of an inch thick. And so the front cover is a pretty pine cone with a little burlap tie, and of course the red gross grain ribbon tie closure. Behind the front is a large journaling card, slipped right inside there like that. And we'll open it up, and it has 3 sections on the inside. The first section also has a large journaling card for that. It has 4 waterfall flip-ups, perfect for either writing or maybe putting some memorabilia in there. There's lots of rooms here for both writing and putting in photographs or whatever. So here in the middle section is another flip out, and inside these pockets I have put in a recipe card, a large double sided recipe card, and there's one of these in each of these pockets. And so inside that are 3 large sections that can be used to maybe put a large photo on, or to write on, or however you'd like to use these. Right here on the inside. And then here is the journal, and the journal has 28 pages, and the cover can be reused. I reinforced the cover with some fabric so it can hold up for a while, because this can be replaced. You can slip out everything when it's done, and you can put in new papers like so. And then here in the very back we have a bunch of little cute tags of different sizes in these stair-step pockets. And on the very back pocket is a large altered tag that I've made with ribbon and some pretty digital on it. And this has a slip out pocket for that one as well. And then on the other side of that is a jar digital, and I have put in a charm around the neck of that. And here we have an envelope, and the envelope is filled with words, small ephemera, and such as that. Just a bunch of little stuff that you can use to decorate more so in your journal or around the folio. And then in the very back is this lovely deer with some little mini pieces stuffed down here on this pocket, and inside this pocket is a nice long tag, perfect for making lists, and that just lives right up here behind that. So that is my Christmas journal, or Christmas folio, with a refillable journal. It is available in my Etsy shop. I hope you step over and take a look at it, and I appreciate you viewing, and we will talk to you real soon. Bye.